Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Fauziah. I'm from Hidayatul Jakarta. My major is Islamic education. I'm going to express my opinion about the benefits of sport for physical and mental health. There are many famous sports in the world. However, there are some sports recommended by Rasulullah Saw. Two of them are archery and horse riding. In my opinion, although there are already many tools of weapons and modern transportation, there are sides that cannot be replaced in doing it, like the reward of sunnah. Each of the sport has many health benefits for both physical and mental health. Why did I mention the above sport as highly recommended and useful? Firstly, Rasulullah Saw said in the Hadith history of An-Nasa'i, which reads, "Everything which does not contain dzikrullah is a focal act, jokes and games, except for 4 cases, namely, the husband joking with his wife, training horses, practicing archery, and swimming." In the Hadith, it can be said that the sport of horse and archery is an act that will not be in vain if done. Islam has special attention to the physical health of its people. Not only Muslim, but non-Muslims can also use both the sports. Secondly, Irfan Setiawan, the chairperson of Indonesian Horse Retaining Association, KPBI, said both of the sports can train fitness, concentration, balance, and body health. This shows if we continue to practice archery and horse riding, we can have a better posture of the body. Because when riding a horse and practicing archery, the body must be in an upright position for a long time. Not only beneficial physical, but experts also believe that handling and interacting with horses can increase self-confidence. There is even mental therapy that uses horse as a medium of treatment, which is called hippotherapy. Because of that, archery is often used for hunting and in ancient times as war equipment. Along with the development of the archery, an era has been widely carried out in society. It is often contested at the national and international Olympiads. With this, the wisdom that can be taken from the two sports, so that we can prepare ourselves in dealing with obstacles such as war at the end of time that are not yet known whether there will be bombs, firearms, or tanks that will be used or not. Regarding these two, the Prophet want a Muslim to be a thug and strong person. Rasulullah SAW said, "A strong believer will be more loved by Allah than a weak believer." Thus, if one day there is a massive war, Muslims are ready physically and mentally to use weapons and ride horses or other vehicles. That's my recommendation about the benefits of sport for physical and mental health. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.